Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashwini Priyadarshan. Today's recipe is very simple palak rice and it is a very good lunchbox recipe both for kids and elders. Let's see the ingredients. For this I have taken 4 bunches of finely chopped palak, onions, chilies, curry leaves, salt, turmeric, jeera powder and dhania powder. First in a kadai I have taken 2 spoons of oil and added onions, chilies and curry leaves. We need to cook until the onions change in the color. Now I am adding finely chopped palak. Now mix everything well. We have to cook until the raw smell goes. Make sure the flame is in medium. You can cover the lid and cook for 10 minutes in medium flame. Now once the palak is cooked well, it's time to add remaining spices. Whenever you use palak, add very little salt. I have just used half spoon of salt, turmeric, dhania powder and jeera powder. Here you don't need to use any red chili powder as we have taken enough green chilies for our spice. Now I have added 1 cup of rice and mixing everything well. Make sure the flame is in low now. Just combine all the spices very well with rice. This is very easy and tasty recipe as it doesn't take much ingredients. You can prepare this with very limited ingredients which you have, and this can go very good for lunch boxes as well for both elders and kids. It tastes so good even when it is cool. Now I have just covered the lid and cooked for another 3 minutes just to ensure all the spices are very well mixed with rice. That's it. Now it's good to serve. You can serve this with any veg curry or raita or any non-veg curry. Here I am serving it with chicken fry. It tastes so good. And if you like this video, press the like button. Do share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.